Okay, guys, we are reviewing the Ankuoo wireless doorbell. This is the doorbell. This is the receiver. On the side here, you control the volume with this one. Put it as high as you want, as low as you want. And then it has 38 different ringtones. So you have They're really cute. We're going to try to find a Christmas one, since it's Christmas time coming up. I think I'm going to leave it at that one. Let's see if we can find any other ones. I think we're going to leave it at that one. And it's really cute. And then this is the installation part. You could either stick it on a flat surface outside next to your front door. Or you could, if you don't have a flat surface, you can screw it on so nobody can mess with it and it won't fall off. It's really good. I am going to go install mine outside because I needed this. But really great value. Absolutely cute. 38 ringtones. Just what you need. The Ankuoo wireless doorbell. And it is on Amazon. It's an Amazon Fine. So if you have Amazon Prime, you get free shipping. So, and please remember, Amazon Prime is free for the first 30 days. So if you don't have it, please sign up. Right? You guys have a great night.